tool. Na actually that's the best. Not that way exactly because to HPV they cause most 90% of the cases. And the moment to ategea to one when maybe type 16 kana 18 tukajukia gari mapema mbere itakinya ariku are go cause cervical cancer. And mbere mambuge baingi barega gwita screening to maybe bagukira maybe that procedure ya tugeje pap smear when you to tire via villi it's maybe uncomfortable. Yeah, kutegerwa na undene but with HPV it's a very small test with a self test whereby you can take ukanenga gasabu geto kaithima we and then ukanenga ageta kuthimwa tegerwa when that type 16 kana 18 of HPV and then the moment to another cervix is not normal na maybe when those lesions tutomba still kuga wena cancer tutomba kuga ado wena cervical cancer for la confirmatory diagnosis kuga we kuringana na bionereria na ora twategea cervix na tuga wena cervical cancer tuya gintu gitawa biopsy kascoop kanyama kanini au cervix kageta na ndika kadimwa lab keta kadimwa kaita result either positive kana negative. Either positive au na tukwira unande cervical cancer. Yes. Tutomba kutumira bionereria kana mode of screening kuwa wina cervical cancer no monga tuite kanyama kanini geta kadimwe kenda gatwira na ndio we cancer.
Thank you nibega sana endrene bukuruta bithimi ana bukuona obunende ni cervical cancer ina treatment yumba kuthire kiamberia ibwithira bwina kanya ga kunenkira client kana patient mwira nende uwe mweri yu itawambe untububu gutonya akirine umenyo obuno ajitwe wite wambe wira antu ba family no ajirwe kunende baibange kana bwambire treatment yorio endera bamenya muntu aina cancer.
Berema is it's not a good news of course to break. Na monka to ya gintu gitawa pre-counseling. Bere obrekera to the news. Omwe akuringana kithimi nona kia kiathithirwe. Na thine oneka niji. And of course you involve also family. Nonto tuambie kwa wewe tuambie rugendo ro treatment tu rugendo ro kwantu kwemwe rudia it's a long process and you know ke matibabu omwaju gatrimana no maybe after every 3 weeks every 3 weeks so rugendo ruraja kono monko mu prepare mapemba ambe mu cancel come into acceptance kenda amba wetikira matibabu nonto the moment bado atara accept matibabu yake ya problem so kuna pre-counseling omwereithia thine roneka and treatment process ore kedo ekari dawa ira gekairwa kana mode of treatment ikaba iko and for how long. Yes,
nbitu babu determine maybe mode of treatment kana indawiri kwa komba kwithira gikiro no ntimbiga kukwina stages maybe kwina stage 1 stage 2 na ntimenya chita monka stage imbi.
Yeah, berema there is stage 1 to stage 4 na for you could determine mode of treatment berema ikithimi kiuma the stage actually those are the determinants. Tuganande uwe ugatumira mode of treatment this yeah like mode of treatment number 1 kuza kuna surgery kuza kuna gintu gita chemotherapy chemotherapy ndawa chika iromikiene kuna gintu tu radiotherapy. Yes, so depending na stage cancer nina igatura woweri this mode of treatment nä work bwega for you. Yes.
Is there a chance akumpa kwithira nendi mtu amenyeka ina nyimba ya njira ya uchiari ari stage ya mwicho kana mimbi nya stage 2 ai stage 3 kana no mwanka imenyewe mtu ai stage
1? Depending na riria mtu ambiria kuona bionereria biria na riria ikinya cibitari.
Okay.
No wije ukija ukona maybe ekuwe stage 1 kwe ekuwe stage 2 kwe ugakinya eku withwa mbuge stage 3 kana stage 4 tipo ndomba kwithia be stage 1 kana stage 4 okay depending na aria yonekerera. Okay. And of course there is a lot also goes on. The moment utereka biopsy kaya bado tukiomba kutell exact stage gani kuna other test za waje tuta imaging ukaringwa mbicha tuta CT scan kana na itomba kutell stage iriku uri na matibabu ja kuja kaza waja kiagira kiogwe.
And now mtu akwa cibitari na mimbi kinya imwari atikinyitie miaka for example nya katwinye miaka inya 27 kana inya miaka 30 na narari mwari bandu atina family we na kwina nontu cervical cancer nende ikanse njira ya uchiari entichikithira mtu akona na ringi kana rikire kugwatwa cancer. Is there a possibility mtu agia mimba na umba kwithira akiewana?
Number one, let's say for example stage 1. Stage 1 mostly cervical cancer either ire out to cervix hapo tu kwa cervix and the treatment outcome inakwanga tu mzuri. Okay. And of course during process treatment of course to encourage ugeamwana that time ki treatment process because to for example let's say for example inya arekira maybe chemotherapy na radiotherapy dawa iria of course they will affect the fetus but the moments or you get treatment you can okay then kuna maybe say for example stage 3 kana 4 stage 3 4 it means ekumara ge cervix etonya maybe part of the uterus and involve the other organs. The moment you involve the other organs to get, for example, in advanced stage. The mode of treatment maybe it's chemotherapy. So in that part, maybe there's no even need of surgery. Okay. And another example, to get for example, yes, stage maybe 3 may involve part of the uterus. When of course rwaria rwendereaga mbere to decide treatment and we give you now options and for you now to decide. Okay. Tutumbo kwera nande let's say for example over to carry the surgery and maybe to the uterus yonde. It's an option of treatment of which to aqua and it's for you now to decide. Okay. But for you, for your betterment, this is the best treatment for you. Okay. But now you wanna andewamwe do I go this way ama niachane nayo maybe for maybe tonto we no kwenda kugea family. Okay. And remind you, the moment you choose maybe you want to go on a family and we have given you the best option for you, remember inaendelea
kukua
kubwa.
Okay, natago karekendera maybe thaira mutambire kubo byonanire na ibo biku persist na mwagweta kwa ndaitari na yake ndaitari gwatuika nende kithimi okira bombure na bwithirwe ikithimi ke cervical cancer na kaitene kau aineu nendra bombudire kithimi bukamenya ina cancer ya cervical cancer na bandu aineu ne atakumba kwithira kwikarika bugetera aigo mwana mbere akana bukambire tu bandu na treatment kana what will happen.
Although ndambia mbugira ukabere to weigh options eure mbuga tuiria itaringana. If for example it's maybe 7 months or 8, we can give an option to etere monka aderive.
Okay.
A scenario yengi no either maybe yako 2 months or 3. Na twategera the stage, maybe it's stage 2 or 1. And we tell now the person, in case the way we're there, munke egitare dira 9 months, that moment no either stage even 4. They may, it will spread. So we give you options. Do you feel this works best? Of course, we are telling you this works best for you, but we can't literally decide for you. Okay? We tell you this is the best option for you, and now it's between you now to choose, do I go this way or this way? Because we can't tell you, nande we wene utugera meri ethatu no monka to terminate kenda to treat. No. We give you an option and we tell you for what is best for you and how to decide.
Endro kwarire mantu ja treatment no gwetere surgery. Surgery kagitikate. Is there a part irabo kagita bote no kutuike nende we cancer free kana surgery. Dere to kwarire surgery menya mtu akigwo surgery akamenyi gutemwa ikuitwa njara ku akamenyi kuitwa tu. What happened ke treatment ya surgery imbe byongo bita kanina ko ngo bitheke surgery.
Surgery still can depend on a stage. Okay? For example, if stage 4, it means it will spread. Okay? And the best treatment for you is chemotherapy. Want to know the surgery, when a party already she involved. Okay? And for example, involved the uterus. Uterus on the involving the cervix, ekarito. Ekarito. Yes.
Endelea itwa mtu kumaanisha akora cancer bru kana what happened?
Still, in your surgery, let's say for example, you're stage 1. With the surgery, of course, it means may occur involved up to na ekolito. And as per se, not to be cancer free, but still going again to surveillance and clinic follow-ups. O karaoke clinic, to tengaira bado, kuhakikisha kutena chembe si come up kana chatigirwe.
Kirekeria andaitari kwena nende irigeria ni bitu batikumba kuthira tukigwethe kenda utira at least tutukuthira tukigwatwa cervical cancer na muno kiri antu ekuru no ntivo bakugwatwa murumo ya cervical cancer.
Irigeria kana prevention. Now we will work on the predisposing factors ya toko arai. For example, to avoid multiple sexual partners, kutumandu weza kiwendo na antu baba ingi. Number 2, screening. Actually, case screening, at the moment, at least we encourage your screening HPV. Nonto nio mostly it will cause cases ira nyingi. By good luck, kwina government ni provide vaccines cha kitwaritwa bado tutambia ku engage in sex, that is 9 years to 14 years in Kenya. Vaccination is also part of prevention. Kingi lifestyle, avoid smoking na kunywa njovi. Edward, for example, mwekona kumenya already maybe an HIV and AIDS, akarithairwa screening frequently, kenda etekeja kuoneka late. Yeah.
Okay, anibwaga sana tukirikene ndawa ile kamere ndaitari mbe kuthira ukiariria mtu urategete imwe kuru na imwari kintu kimwe kia gitumi sana kiraba bati kugwithia akenda uchebaniria na cervical cancer again kwinwe na kiuria kuria cancer ni ora kanite ora kana indawa tu mtu riraira wiroro wina cancer type ine indawa tu ria ukiunya indi akiri ne kuria ukimenya undu one time no mwanka ngaku ni ora akaninyete ora tu
mbere ma ambuge taumbugire early detection, better outcome. Point number 1. Na cancer ni ora kwina baingi to treated and the moment they are cancer survivors.
Wow.
Yeah, beja tu clinic follow up na gutukethia na gutwira bakwenderea sort of the things. And then togorere gintu kia maana buru na kio tukwinyeria sana screening na bado tumba kuga pioneria bibio karaja bia cervical cancer no threat or screen or where ibio kanate bio but most of the time baingi bare mo with a screening because of one or two things. Number 1, kuinogwa definitely. Number 2, kuna gintu twita competing priorities. Tuwe for example eta werwa kuscreenwa cervical cancer ugetia ngirio ijire ithatu.
Yes.
Na nja of course mbuga ino gwetia kugura kamutu you will go for kamutu no ntu bando utekuigwa thineu. Yeah. Na mbwere screening mtu atetarira bionereirio kubiona. Screening obatu weta wesa sawa kabisa. But it's so unfortunate because of like Kenya, it's a developing country. And most of the time really antu baingi ba show up sibitari ya bambiria kuona signs 1 or 2. But ugatega maybe jandi go chao mtu netherwa na schedule yeah, maybe then appointment moyo na daktari maybe omaigo gynecologist with the checkup. But we hope one day batu tuga kinyaura tu tuena that know how it's good ugeta gutithwe check up na thoi skin jayu ugeta kuthira ukahakikisha ugu mwili wako je sawa.
Nibega sana Frank kirura kwenda kuona no mbikio kuona tukiriki mimbi ura aringienda services tiaku kana cienu no mbikio kuona
ibwega sana to mpambere kuga Terangugi sibitari Arua Cancer Center. Arua Cancer Center Meru past Makutano on our way to Meru National Polytechnic opposite Afya Milas. Na Arua Cancer Center ndira na mantoja cancer only, it's a cancer specialist. atudia na mantu ja cancer awareness tondu no tukuthithia na arui cancer awareness cancer screening cancer diagnosis na cancer treatment na ukenda kuthithirwa screening visitors tugutegere nontu screening turuga muntu neje sawa healthy tiwete aliria wambia kuona bioneria 1 2 3 okay na in case antu baketha bakendo tukinyera namba cha thimu no stage 07 99 528 973.
Okay. Nibaka sana mutegeri wa Meru TV, nibaka sana Frank no tubagutikirie kunya tuthomethe mantu jegie enyimba aya nyumba kana ya njira ya uchiari. Mutegeri wa Meru TV boya akinya kimweri uyu cancer awareness ya cervical cancer uchumirie ikinya cibitari rere akwe na we iraba kuoyana amautungata yegie cancer screening nibo yabete wailwe akendo minyoki maboko bo mwiri ibukari atankurika no gimaboko bo mwiri ibuo tonga boku muthoni wa kiramana nchokere tunyuma ndakiti kuraya ara tugachokera kire mubango ejwa kumenya mantu jeki kithomo tuchokerete na Faith Muchemi rwari tukariria mantu jeki nende na atatu bati kuika goals kana how to set reasonable goals kana achievable goals menyi mwaka omweru na mwaka omweru yukiambiri twambirira kia twina iroto abira tukendo kinyaniria mwaka yukithira ni atatu bati wika iroto bi atukethira twibikinyaniri tuchokerete nende ndekete kureta na mbere na ututhiatira